wearing pot bellies. I had the wreck. It's pretty good. Those of you who want to switch up or just try something new, I recommend this place. They are, you got some crap on. It's that good. Let me get right to it. For everybody who's been following me, I appreciate you. Seriously. YouTube has changed, and it's a lot more people uploading a lot more car videos. A lot of people are in the cars. That's my niche. You could actually say that's my niche, but it's a lot more than that. It's about life. It's about the choices that we all make. Well, I said this in a previous video, but seriously, what do you know about the last person who you purchased a car from? What kind of weight does that hold? What does that mean for you? For me, it means a lot. For me, it means... Oh,
58,000.
58,000. Not only can I ask about the individual, I'm getting a lot more women who are buying those SUVs. A lot of my clients are females. When they're spending a lot more than the men. Truth be told, I've witnessed neighbors and relatives sell each other bum vehicles, man. I mean, the motor is going out, the trans is going out, it has electrical problems. I've seen a lot, but over here, on my reputation, on what I do, from all my previous clients, I'll tell you the good, I'll tell you the bad, different points. Talked some of my clients out of getting a certain car because I knew that they can do better. I'm like, hey, you know what? We should wait. I want to wait on the other one. I like that one better. It felt better. It's a newer car. It just had higher miles. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Hopefully, when you see me pulling off those caps, tell a lot. Oh no! Oh hell no! All right. I don't need that. Not only am I looking for a blowback, like I stated before, I think that was my first video. Taking off that cap would just tell you a lot of what the car went through, and that is not supposed to look like that. That's a bad sign. Bad all the way around. Again, through the exhaust, through the oil cap. All right, yeah. Joker's good. If it's leaking, while it's running, looking for any leaks. So far, so good. And so many different other things, just in that short period of time. If I can show or teach something, pass it on for my subs to get a better deal. Even like I said, even if you guys don't come through me, whoever you go through, look for those things. Please, I cannot emphasize that enough. Other than that, that's it. All right, next time.